If you're transferring a car title in Kentucky, the process depends on whether the vehicle is already registered in Kentucky or coming from another state. For cars already titled in Kentucky, bring the signed-over title to your local county clerk's office. The signatures on the title must be notarized. You'll also need proof of Kentucky insurance that was issued within the last 45 days, along with either a Kentucky photo ID or your Social Security card. If the name on the title doesn't exactly match your ID, you'll need documents that explain the change, like a marriage license or divorce decree. For vehicles owned by a business, the title has to be listed under the company's federal employer identification number. For cars coming from out of state, you'll need proof of Kentucky insurance, your photo ID or Social Security card, and the completed Form TC96-182. You'll also need the signed-over title. If the state you're coming from doesn't issue a title, you can bring the registration or bill of sale instead. Just like with in-state vehicles, signatures must be notarized and any name differences must be backed up with the right legal documents. Businesses, again, will need to use their federal employer identification number. If you're buying a vehicle in Kentucky but live in another state, you'll need a transit tag to take the car home. The tag costs $5, is valid for 15 days, and can be picked up in person or by mail through the Motor Vehicle Licensing Division in Frankfort. Dealers may also provide a temporary tag if there's a delay in paperwork. These tags are only for out-of-state buyers. If you're a Kentucky resident bringing in a vehicle from another state, you'll have to rely on that state's temporary registration system. Once everything is filed and the fees are paid, the transfer is complete, and the title will be issued in the new owner's name.